In today's video, we'll be taking a look at the best exercise bikes to buy this year. And as usual, in the description below, we have the links to all the exercise bikes mentioned in this video. If you think we missed out any product in our list, please let us know in the comment below. Be sure to subscribe for new content and drop a like below. Now, let's go straight to the video. Number 5. Bowflex VeloCore Bike. Bowflex is a good pick for best exercise bike with screen for two reasons. The special features of the bike itself paired with the breadth of option for the screen. Let's start with the bike, which sets itself apart from the competitors with a leaning mode, an option to, well, lean as you ride, similar to taking a sharp turn riding a bike outdoors or swaying with a beat in a group class. This added movement allows you to engage your arms and core in a way other bikes can't, giving more of a full body workout. Other highlights of the bike include an adjustable seat and handlebars, 100 levels of magnetic resistance, and versatile pedals that work with sneakers and toe cages or clip-in spin shoes. On to the screen. Models are available with HD touchscreen consoles sized 16 or 22 inches and come with the company's JRNY Experience, a library of on-demand workouts that include trainer-led videos, virtual coaching, and destination rides. Like its competitors in the connected fitness space, Bowflex requires a monthly membership to the JRNY with the purchase of its bike, which will run you $20 per month. The platform also has a built-in app library for seamless streaming of Netflix, Hulu, and other top entertainment hubs. Additionally, there's a mount for smartphones and tablets so you can stream workouts from Peloton, Zwift, or any other app. The other big benefit of a techie bike like this is its capability to track accurate metrics and your ability to see progress over time. Number 4. Wahoo Fitness Kicker Bike. Wahoo released the Kicker, its first indoor bike, and immediately reset the standard for models designed for use on virtual platforms. It connects with most of the major online training apps, Zwift, the Sufferfest, Trainer Road, Strava Summit, etc., on your laptop or TV screen, and provides unmatched real-feel feedback to the rider based on the terrain in the game. It has integrated sensors that measure your cadence and power output and 5 adjustment points: standover height, saddle height, setback, reach, and stack height. Use the Wahoo Fitness app to guide you through setting up your position, where you can upload fit results from Guru, Retool, or TrekFit, and the app will translate these numbers into adjustments you need for the bike. Or you can put your height, inseam, and riding style into the app, and it will give you rough measurements as a starting point. The Kicker bike also lets you set the style of drivetrain you prefer, whether SRAM, Shimano, or Campagnolo, as well as gear ratios. Its heavy flywheel adds resistance, and an internal motor controls the flywheel to simulate momentum in coasting, as well as the sensations of braking and shifting. Make no mistake about it, this is a premium bike with all the bells and whistles and comes at a premium price. Number 3. Yusuda Indoor Cycling Bike. Most home riders will be well served by this spin-style bike by Yusuda. Similar to what you'd find in a gym or studio, this bike has a slim profile, a heavy-duty steel frame, and a 35-pound flywheel for resistance. The seat is cushioned and can be adjusted up and down for height, as well as front and back, an important feature for getting the correct form for your ride and keeping undue stress off weight-bearing joints like the knees. The handlebars are adjustable too, with a 10-inch threshold up or down. There's an LCD monitor that displays time, speed, distance, odometer, and calories burned, but Pro tip: never trust a machine not strapped to your body to accurately gauge your calorie burn. There's a bracket where you can mount a smartphone or tablet and stream a workout, watch TV, or listen to music. A bottle holder keeps water close by, and cage pedals mean you can ride in your sneakers, no need to invest in pricey spin shoes. It runs on a belt-driven system, so it's quiet enough to use in a shared home. Because it's so adjustable, multiple members of the household should be able to use the bike. And with a footprint of just 22 inches wide by 40 inches long, it's an easy fit for most homes, and there are handy transport wheels in case it needs to be moved. Number 2. Peloton Bike. Take everything you love about spin class, make it more convenient, and subtract any sort of self-consciousness. That's the Peloton Bike. With it and an accompanying subscription, you can join a live streaming class led by one of Peloton's 15 high-energy instructors that will inspire you to put in the effort. Follow their cues, and you will most definitely get a good workout, whether you choose a 30 or 90-minute ride. You also have access to over 5,000 recorded classes. These vary in difficulty, music choice, and style. Think Tabata, intervals, hill climb, or easy ride. So you can select from a library based on how you're feeling. The software displays your resistance, cadence, and wattage to help you sync with the instructor, as well as mileage and ride achievements so you can track your progress over time. Number 1. NordicTrack Commercial S22i Studio Cycle. NordicTrack combines the simplicity of a traditional indoor bike with modern connectivity, giving you the option to join live studio-style classes led by professional instructors or select from a library of recorded workouts through its iFit app, free with the purchase of the bike. Recorded guided workouts follow professional instructors as they ride courses that exist in the real world and lead you through the workout. As terrain changes, the bike moves up and down to simulate the incline or decline. Manual controls on the handlebar lets you override the automatic settings within a guided workout, as well as let you make adjustments when doing an unguided ride. The library of recorded workouts is very extensive, and despite getting lost at times within the iFit app. And a bonus option: Barwing Magnetic Indoor Cycling Bike. If you're looking for a solid ride at an affordable price, this Barwing bike is the model for you. Using a combination of magnetic resistant and belt drive system, this bike delivers as much as 35 pounds of resistance smoothly and quietly. The cushioned seat has 6 levels of height adjustment and a 2.4-inch range of front to back adjustment, which is important for getting the correct form and riding safely at home. Additionally, the handlebar offers 4 levels of height adjustment to further tailor the bike to its rider. The handlebars feature a simple LCD display for basic workout metrics like time and distance. There's also a bracket mount for smartphones and tablets, so you can stream workouts from brands like Peloton by paying for their app and not their pricey equipment. The bike has cage pedals, so you can ride in your sneakers and don't need to invest in expensive spin sneakers. There's a bottle holder too, so H2O is always nearby. The footprint of this affordable exercise bike is just 19 inches wide and 39 inches long. Lastly, the bike has 2 transport wheels on the bottom, making it easy to move out of the way when you're done sweating. watching, and don't forget to click the subscribe button below.